Hello my Legionnaires and welcome to another old school review. It will be Mig-21 in 1:72 scale from Kovozávody. As you can see, we have only few plastic parts, manual, and of course don't forget on the decals as well. Here you can see classic camouflage, of course a few rockets here, of course paint rockets as well, a clear part for the canopy, and after that fuselage, as you can see, with really nothing to deal with it, like all details, wings, of course cockpit, seat as well, and here you can see other plastic parts like again rockets, of course here manual, which is pretty fast, like only few parts, but we can upgrade it with like a minor modification, which you will see in the video as well. I hope you like it, this fast small review, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.